Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this information because it could change your life. This question is about credit repair without a professional. So this person wants to know how she can repair her credit, but her financial situation makes it difficult for her to afford a professional to do it right now. So guys, let me tell you, God bless you if you can't relate to that question. I know I can. So strap on your helmets because I'm about to share something with you that most people aren't even aware is available, okay? Now, if someone would have told me that there was a platform out there that would allow you to track your credit score, build your credit, boost your credit score, monitor your credit, file credit disputes directly with the credit furnisher, manage your money, monitor your credit, remove your personal info off of sites on the dark web, and protect your identity with a $1 million fraud insurance plan for you and your entire household, I wouldn't have believed it. In addition to that, the cost of this is less than a meal for two at McDonald's. I didn't stutter. You would be crazy not to take advantage of this. So how can this platform help you? There's a lot that this does, but I'd be here all day trying to explain everything and all the features that this thing has to offer. So I'm just going to give you the highlights. First of all, whether you're 25 or 65, it's extremely easy to navigate through, and it includes embedded mini tutorials where necessary. So let's start with the score tracker feature. So as many of you know by now, you don't just have a credit score, you have many credit scores. Just depends on who's requesting it, right? So this shows you your current TransUnion credit score that many credit card providers use. It also shows you your auto score used by dealerships, insurance scores, and hiring risk index that's used by many potential employers that may request your credit, okay? It shows you where you stand and how you're trending, basically. Then there's the score builder feature. This section actually creates a personalized 120-day plan to help you understand what's hurting and helping your credit score. Now here's the kicker, or the juice as the young people like to say. Their patented technology allows you to take action while viewing your negative accounts that's weighing you down. You can dispute them directly with the company with the tap of a button. That's it. No calling, no letter writing, no emailing, no faxing. It's all done for you. Even if you want to do a goodwill correction, there's a button for that. It's incredibly easy to do basic disputing with the tap of a button. There's also Score Boost, another favorite of mine. And this is another patented technology that's built into this platform that you can't find anywhere else, okay? So let's start with timing. It will suggest the best time for you to apply for credit card, auto loan, mortgage, or other credit. Spending. It has an interactive sliding scale that shows you how you're spending with a particular card can lower your score before you go out on a shopping spree, basically. So you can balance your spending across your credit cards to have minimal damage to your score, okay? Now, payments. This is a huge feature. The algorithm will show you when to pay, how much to pay, and which cards to pay certain amounts on in order to increase your credit score. Let me say that again. That algorithm will show you when to pay, how much to pay, and which cards to pay certain amounts on in order to increase your credit score. This feature alone is worth more than a small monthly fee, okay? Let's just say you're in the middle of buying a home. Wouldn't you like to know how your spending will lower your credit score? That information is valuable, all right? But we haven't mentioned the monitoring. So let's talk about the monitoring. They will actually monitor your credit score and your credit cards to alert you of changes and detect fraud as your credit score changes. Now, full disclosure, there are other companies that offer just that credit monitoring feature, but not mixed with all the other features that this one has, basically. Now, if I stopped here, you could definitely see how it's worth more than just that monthly fee. But I'm not done, okay? Let's talk about the Money Manager feature. You know, this thing can manage all your online amounts in one place. All of your accounts, okay? You don't have to go to your bank account app to see those transactions. Your Capital One, your Discover, your Wells Fargo to see your auto payment. You can track and update your account statement, payments due, and transactions every day from this platform. And it has an action button so that you can ask questions and resolve problems without having to call or email. Now, I almost forgot about this. It does the shopping for you. Now, not your grocery shopping, but credit card shopping. Because it has access to your credit information, it will show you what credit cards you qualify for and through what institutions. Now, this saves you time and cuts out all the guesswork for you, okay? Now, if that's still not enough, check this out. It also provides you with the privacy and fraud insurance plan. Is your information being used or sold on the web? This Privacy Master feature, it scans websites and data brokers for your personal information. When found, it will alert you, and then you can click a button to have it removed. Just that simple. Now, if it reappears, it will find it again, and you can choose to delete it again, okay? All right, so we've taken all these measures to improve your credit, manage your credit, and search the web for the appearance of your information to be removed. And let's just say that you're still compromised. We call this identity theft, right? So as long as you have this service, you're covered with a $1 million fraud insurance plan with a zero deductible. Did I just say you? I meant to say your entire family that resides in your household, okay? It covers your bank, savings, brokerage, lines of credit, credit cards, and more. It covers your cash out of pocket, expenses incurred, and your ID recovery. It covers your credit reports, covers pre-existing identity fraud you didn't even know about. It even covers replacement costs due to stolen driver's license or passport. So when I discovered this platform, I made it mandatory for all of my clients as a prerequisite to sign up. However, if someone just couldn't afford my services at the moment, but they wanted to do whatever they could to improve their credit, there's no question. This would be the best way to go. And because I'm a partner, I'm in partnership with them, I'm able to give a 7-day trial and discounted rate if you choose to keep it after the 7-day trial. Just message me below. So don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. But most of all, share this information because I know that you know someone that needs this information today. So please share it with them. Y'all have a great day.